The Boating Adventure, Community Post, Channel Update, number 81. This update is just to tell you that my next video will be published this Thursday the 6th of June 2024 at 8 AM. And that's the video that I was anticipating putting out last Saturday, but unfortunately we were still out on the cut and the download and the upload speeds were just impossible to work with. So I thought it best to wait until we got back into the studio. That video will be about the first part of our trip to take the Swamp Duck to its new Aquavista mooring. So join me for the premiere showing of that video at 8 AM on Thursday the 6th of June 2024. And I'd just like to say a very big welcome to all those who have subscribed to the channel recently, some of whom I met when we were out on the cut. So welcome to you, and thank you to everybody else for your continued support. So thank you, and as always, do take care.